Hello friends, good evening. Today I am going to explore a new feature on Odoo version 19 under the Runbot instance. So I am on Runbot and exploring the master branch where I have found a fresh new menu like audit with existing items as well as some new options. So over here on my screen, if you see, I can create an audit report from a template. I can edit its content, and then I can entire print report ready-made within Odoo. So how does it work? Let's launch one report like Financial Audit. And Odoo has created a predefined template from knowledge section over here. And I'm just trying to build it for this particular year so that we can check everything which is available under this audit template. And once I click over here, it will redirect me to knowledge section where every hierarchy is preloaded within the knowledge section. So financial audit has an index with its, sub articles. You can see attestation, which is having a signature request, and then a balance sheet which is having its call wizard, so I can directly jump to balance sheet from here. Then P&L also is a part of this, then some content for preamble. So this is how we can also build our own financial audit report and connect to the auditors over there in front end. The beauty is if I go back to my audit report and then if I print here, Odoo will nicely generate entire report very quickly with all the options, everything, and then it will nicely printed with the date, summary, the title, logo with the company it is selected, table of content. So you can see everything is over here with my selected date, with all the content which is loaded there. So this is how we are expecting this feature to launch with version 19. Apart from it, there are two more options, working file and checklist. So I can also create some audit, to do for our staff, and I can create a checklist master with the header. So I have created this vendor performance report where I want to check purchase order line-wise report, to check reception report, as well as this purchase, vendor performance report too, for this. Okay, so this is how we can also see how it works over here. So these are my, masters. If I want to have these working files, it will give all the headers over here. So I can switch to vendor performance, which I need, and then I can generate a particular return for it, which will launch me with the predefined action of report. And I can just say, once it is validated, I can say validate, and it will create a complete option for checklist for our given, financial audit. And the person who is, Michelle admin is all, validating, he will say, so he can finally validate and mark as complete. Okay. So this is how you can also create a lot of, audit cycle with your predefined headers from the working files, and then checklist, which you can create a new checklist also from here. So these all are the checklists which you can create for your auditors and then launch some to-dos from here. Hope this new feature will help a lot of financial officers and accountant to build the entire audit report and its separate master, a predefined master from knowledge section in coming version 19. Thank you guys. Good day.